Feelings are not facts. You feel the pressure, you feel the fear, you feel the rush of anger, but feelings aren't instructions, they're indicators. Most people let emotions decide for them. The Stoic consults emotion, then chooses. Marcus Aurelius said, "External things are not the problem, it's your assessment of them, and this you have the power to revoke at any moment. Your feelings are messengers, not masters." In Part 2, we'll break down how emotions distort reality and how the Stoic decodes them, why emotions lie, and how to spot it. Fear says you'll fail. Anger says attack. Insecurity says hide. But those are just voices, not verdicts, not truth. Seneca said, "We are more often frightened than hurt, and we suffer more from imagination than from reality." Emotion without awareness becomes chaos, but emotion with awareness becomes wisdom. In Part 3, we'll build the Emotional Intelligence Decoder. The Emotional Intelligence Decoder. 1. Name the feeling, label it with precision. I feel disappointed, not devastated. 2. Track the source. Where did it start? Who or what triggered it? Is this old or new? 3. Ask the Stoic question. Is this a useful signal or an outdated script? 4. Choose from clarity, not chaos. If I weren't feeling this, what would I know is right? In Part 4, we bring this model into daily emotional navigation. Daily practice, using emotion without being used by it. Morning awareness. Scan. Before the day starts, sit in stillness. Ask, what am I bringing into today that I need to examine? Midday check-in, pause. Ask, what am I feeling, and is it steering me or informing me? Evening clarity log. Write, what emotion challenged me today? How did I respond, reflexively or rationally? This is how emotion becomes data, not destiny. The 3-Day Emotion Mastery Challenge. For 3 days. 1. Identify one strong emotion daily. 2. Run it through the Emotional Intelligence Decoder. 3. Reflect. Did I follow the emotion or lead myself through it? Drop the word clarity in the comments. Subscribe if you're ready to use your emotions without being used by them. Your mind is the captain, emotion is the weather. Storms pass, winds shift, but the Stoic sails anyway. You don't silence your emotions, you study them, you learn from them, you let them speak, but not steer. Feel the anger, but don't attack. Feel the fear, but still move. Feel the doubt, but stay aligned. You are not your feelings, you are what you do with them. And now, you choose what matters, you lead with clarity, and you walk in power. That's emotional mastery. That's Stoic truth. That's your practice now.